Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Coast City. Discover the breathtaking mountain views, the lively markets, and the vibrant spirit that fills every street. This is Coast, a place where tradition meets energy, and every moment is unforgettable. At the heart of Coast lies Mattoon, the city center, surrounded by the renowned tribes of Mangal, Tani, Zadra, Manduzi, Gurbuz, and Sabori. Each tribe brings its unique traditions and customs, enriching the vibrant cultural landscape of this remarkable place. Immerse yourself in the warmth, hospitality, and heritage that define Coast. This video is proudly created by Khalil, capturing the essence and beauty of Coast for you to enjoy.